classic never go out of style. Old is gold. Vintage is a new luxury. Why I'm speaking about the old things or vintage pens? So today I have the best 40 to 50 years aging old pen. First I'll show you the pen. This is Khyati Ebonite model fountain pen. So today we are going to review this 40 to 50 years old pen. So I'm very grateful to review this pen today. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to Pennos.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. This is Khyati model fountain pen and this is an antique pen, and this overall body is made up of ebonite and the color combination is brown and then silver color. We could find a small piece of scratches because of the aging. Other than that, it's an amazing antique pen. So this here is a clip. It's a straight clip with it's like a bottom round shape, and this clip, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket. Finial, it's a semi-rounded and it's like a rounded finial in the top and then bottom. In the top, it comes with an silver finish. In the bottom, it comes with the same brown color finish. Here is the trim rings and then band, and here of some words, brand name, and that's been went off because of the aging. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length. So we are going to use vernier scale. First we need to check whether it's in 0 or not. It carries 129.43 mm. And we'll remove the cap and check the length. 116.34 mm. Now we'll check the grip section diameter. 8.83 mm. And near the thread part, it carries 10.19 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this antique pen. And this is an old stock and it's aging 40 to 50 years. It's a lightweight pen, carries 14 gram. I'll unscrew the cap and check the weight. We should handle with care. And this cap carries 6 gram. Now we'll calculate the overall body. It's 7 gram. Unscrewing this, we are going to check the barrel part. Barrel carries 6 gram and here it's 2 gram. Okay. Now we're back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen and this is a lightweight pen with an usual weight. I just love this and I'm very grateful reviewing this pen, and we need to handle it very well. So we'll start reviewing this pen. It's a screw type cap, the same grip section. This is also ebonite and the grip section is nice. And this grip section, it's little bit medium because the thread is more here. Other than that, we can't hold there in the thread type, right? So it's nice grip section. And it's a iridium point and this is gold color finish nib, and it's a usual feed, but when comparing to nowadays pens, it's like a straight line is there in the feed. That won't be up here now. Now we'll see the ink system type. We are unscrewing this. Okay, this is an eyedropper type, but in the old age, like this antique pens, we couldn't find any O-rings because it's a fine thread here. But nowadays pens, it's like a bit extra large threads, so we'll be having the O-rings, and we are using 3-in-1 pens and 2-in-1 pens, but this is without O-ring. Now we'll do the writing sample, and I'm eagerly waiting to do this writing sample. And now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Khyati Ebonite model fountain pen. We are unscrewing this. So that now we are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to dip the ink and rub in a cloth. And then we are going to write now. First, we are going to write penhouse.in. Oh, it's writing very smooth. And this is royal blue ink color. If you want to purchase these types of royal inks, link in the description. This is Khyati and iridium point. Wow. Now we'll do the rubbing test. We just dip the ink and writing, and it's writing very smooth. Yeah. See this? We couldn't find any hard while writing, and this is a lightweight pen. The special thing in this types of pens, they don't have O-ring, even though it's an eyedropper model. In the barrel type, we'll have a O-ring. And in this old model pen, they won't be have O-rings because they have a fine threads. Nice. I'll write the alphabets. Actually, I feel grateful while writing these types of antique pens. We all know the proverb old is gold. Yeah, that simplifies this pen. It's very smooth. And I just love this pen. Now, we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. And the proverb says old is gold. In the same way, I feel more regarding this pen, and it's just fabulous smooth writing. This is iridium point, and it's just simple and very smooth. It doesn't feel like I'm holding a pen and writing. It's like very light while writing, even though we just dip the ink and then we did the writing sample, and it's very smooth. I just love this pen. Whether you want to purchase this antique pen and you want to add to your collection, definitely you can do that. Link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your order. So we came to the end of the session. Whether we are reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different branded pens like Khyati, Shepherd, Lamy, Cross, Parker, Ranga, Ratnam. All the branded pens we are having, and we are having all the spares of that pens, nibs, different colors. All the things are available in penhouse.in, and we are manufacturing our own branded pens like ballpoint pen, roller ball, and then fountain pens, especially handmade pens, silver filigree pens. You can also customize your own company name or logo or one of your favorite designs in that pen. Own designs are always welcome. Other than that, we are manufacturing acrylic and MDF products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items under short timings and affordable prices. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description. And while using these types of old pens or antique pens or any other luxury pens, you need to maintain it properly. So whether you want to purchase this pen, website link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your order. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Old is actually gold. Signing off, Vijay Navi.